looking for a way to make your kids want to go outside and play, my name's Hannah with WTI, and we are always looking for ways to make our backyard a little bit more fun. And we have found a new thing for our daughter and her friends. It is this HeyZoo 10-foot climbing dome. It's made with high quality galvanized steel, so it is super durable and supports up to 800 pounds or 6 kids playing at the same time. It's not wobbly at all, and it feels very, very durable. I also love that they've added this heavy duty hammock that you hang on the inside. It's a great place for our daughter and her friends to rest or go out here and read a book, but it also adds an extra layer of adventure while they're climbing on the dome, and it holds up to 220 pounds. So I even enjoy using this little hammock in our backyard. The thing I love about this climbing dome is it really makes a kid use their thinking ability. So not only are they getting physical exercise, but they have to think about where to move next so they continue to climb. If you want to add some fun to your backyard, I highly recommend this climbing dome. That's just my point of view.